Welcome back. Today we're going to go over 6-7, applying systems of equations, and by the end of today hopefully you'll understand how to choose the best method when solving systems of equations. Our steps to solve these ones with story problems we got to go through here. Any word problem that we have for a system of equation, we need to first off identify and label variables. The second step, we need to write two equations from what we've identified and labeled. Step 3, we need to solve using either substitution or elimination, whatever situation is best for each problem. And step 4, we need to interpret the solution. Our first problem, here we have a cell. Sarah, she bought 4 t-shirts, 3 pairs of pants for $181. Jenna bought 1 t-shirt and 2 pairs of pants and a pair of jeans for $94. The t-shirts were all the same price and the jeans were all the same price. We need to find the price of each t-shirt and pair of jeans. So going through and identifying, the first off, Sarah, she bought 4 t-shirts, 3 pair of jeans, and that was for $181. Jenna, she bought 1 t-shirt, 2 pair of jeans for $94. So with that, we first off need to figure out the price for each one. To do that, we start out by step 1, figuring out what variable are we going to use. And for this specific situation, I notice we have t-shirts and jeans, so I'll just use T for t-shirts and J for jeans. Our first step here, we write 4T, because she bought 4 t-shirts, so I have 4 times T plus 3 times J equals 181. The second one, same type, she bought 1 t-shirt, 2 pairs of jeans for $94. In this problem, are we going to use substitution or elimination? The question you should ask is this in standard form? If we have this one in standard form, it's really easy to use elimination. So now that we have it in standard form, we can see that elimination would be best. So which would we eliminate? Looking at our variables here, which one would be easier to eliminate? I would eliminate the T because 1 can turn into 4. And as a result of that, I multiply by distribution to get everything in there changed by multiplying it by 4. Our next step from here, we see that the 4's cancel. 3 plus -8 equals -5j, and then 181 minus 376 equals 195. -195. I divide by 5 to get j equals 39. Alright, so now that we found what j equals, we need to figure out how much t-shirts cost. So we go through this and we figure out, with our original equation, we need to plug in the value for the cost of jeans. So now we have a 4t plus 3j, and I need to change that 3 times j to 3 times 39. And now I just need to go through and solve for t. So I take this information and I do 3 times 39 to get 117. I subtract the 117 and I get 4t equals 64. After I have that, I divide by 4 to give me that t-shirt cost is $16. Our last step on here is I need to interpret what this means, and the interpretation on that, it needs to be in words. So our first part here is we have jeans. They cost $39. Oh, that was great. You're welcome. Second period, you guys suck. It's going to be on this video. Wait, what? They're so mean to me. Oh, I hate second period. Hey. And so from here you can see jeans cost $39, t-shirts cost $16. I was waiting for that sneeze, okay? You guys are so mean. And, okay, so we have that information. Now, from there, we found the price, this answer. This is our answer that we wanted. You need to have it. You need to be able to interpret what it stands for. Our next type, you can see we have a problem here. Go ahead and try to set it up. But as we set this one up, just make sure you read through it and mark important information. I know $30 is important, 5 subway tickets is important, 2 bus tickets is important. That's for 1 week. That means our first equation is going to be that amount. Our second equation is going to deal with $33 and 2 subway tickets and 5 bus tickets. And as we go through this, we're going to find the price for each ticket, and then we need to find out how much you'd pay for 3 subway tickets and 3 bus tickets. Writing our equation, I'm going to use an S for subway tickets and a B for bus tickets. So we have a 5 times S plus 2 times B equals a total of $30. The second equation is going to be 2 subway tickets plus 5 bus tickets equals $33. And now again, is this going to be best for elimination or substitution? It's in standard form, so elimination works best. They're in the same form, and as a result of that, I need to choose a variable to eliminate. In this case, I'm going to choose to eliminate subway tickets so I can find out how much it costs for a bus ticket. So I times the top by 2, I times the bottom by 5, so I do the opposite, but since they're both positive, I need to make one of these negative. So I'm going to make that top one a -2. As we go through here, this top equation, I'll write the answer to it right here, and then the same thing with the bottom to the second one. And we go through here, that it gives us a -10s. -2 times 2 is -4b. -2 times 30 is -60. And then we go through here, and the next one we have a 5 times 2 is 10, a 5 times 5 is 25, and a 5 times 33 is 165. And then we're able to eliminate the S, and once we do that, we have a -4 plus 25 equals 21b, -60 plus 165 equals 105, and I divide by 21 to get b equals 5. So we know that one bus ticket costs $5. I substitute this in for either equation. I'm going to choose the top one, 5 times S plus 2 times 5 now because it costs $5 equals 30. Change that to a 10, and I subtract 10 from both sides to get 5S equals 20. I divide by 5 to get S equals 4. So from here I know, and I interpret, bus tickets cost $5, subway tickets cost $4, and if I want to buy 3 of each, I have to pay $15 for bus tickets, $12 for subway tickets. So good luck. Hopefully that was helpful. Hope you guys have a good day.